Well, I almost missed it. This would be my second knife. And this is where dogs walk, on the side of the road, but there it is. Looks like it's just the bottom part. Oof, that would have hurt somebody's foot. Look at that. Be careful out there. Today's big find is water bottle caps. I have one full bag already. Very cool. Neighbors have a wild little basil patch. Okay guys, a little bit of cigarettes, a full bag, mostly of flattened cans, some shingles, tons and tons of bottle caps, and we got a lot of this weed whacker thread today, and a glove. Only one bag today, not bad.